Sup fam, it is me, Andre Taylor, and I am here today to talk about Apple Music. Now, I've done a video before that you can check out right here, and when I was going through there, I was going through the beta program and seeing the changes that Apple Music had. And now that iOS 14 is out to the public and out to everybody, I just wanted to show you some last minute changes, as well as I just updated my phone to 14.2, which came out earlier today, which most of the changes are directly to music. So let's just get into that. There's supposed to be a transition here. Okay, here we go. Apple Music is a streaming service created by Apple that is a rival to streaming services such as Spotify and Tidal. The first big change that you'll see actually in this update is that they have a new Shazam feature in Control Center. So when you go into Control Center and scroll down and you press the Shazam feature, now that will be turned on and it will stay on so that when some music is playing around you, for example, when we're all able to go back outside again and you can go to the mall, now it'll be listening for the music. There is one more change I want to show in the Control Center. When you go down, and let's say I start playing a song, like hit different, when you go down and press into this, hard press, it looks different now. And if you're not playing any music and you pull down on it, it actually shows a little preview of your previous music and things that it thinks you would like, which is kind of cool. It makes it so you could just jump to some music right from this screen. So let's say I did want to continue to listen to Hit Different, I could just press right here. Pretty cool. Now let's get into the actual app itself, shall we? So when you launch the Apple Music app, instantly you can already see it has a new interface. So at the very top, you have this Now Listen Now feature, which I showed in my previous video, but for any newcomers, this is where a lot of your customization is going to live. And so when you go through it, you can see these top picks for you that is really actually picked through the algorithm and also music managers at Apple based upon your likes and what they think sound great together. Some of my best features here in my top picks is obviously recently played. Sometimes you just want to keep listening. I've been on a big Outkast binge, as you've probably seen. When I go to the Made For You mixes, what I really enjoy is going through this and going to the new music mix and finding new music every week and just shuffling through that. So since I'm shuffling some music, let's press on here and see. Obviously I got the lyrics feature. I'm really big into lyricists, and look at the new look of Apple Music. So it did go back from what it was in previous betas, and so it's a lot more subtle now, the background, versus in some betas it used to reflect the album art a lot more. But some of the really cool features here are, especially when you go into these like shuffle features. One of our new features here, something that I know Spotify has had forever, but now you got your shuffle, you got your play over again, and now this cool new one, which is adding songs to play just like the song that you're listening to. So Apple Music will find music that is very similar to the music that you're listening to and will shuffle some music in there. And that way you're always discovering new music. So I think that's a really cool feature, and I know Spotify has had it, but it's always cool to get it featured in other apps. Also, you got haptic touch when you're skipping the songs now. That's pretty cool. So you continue to go through the learn more and you get a lot of information. Browse is pretty much the same. I mean, it's kind of like your front page of what iTunes used to be. Literally to the T. If you don't believe me, okay. This is iTunes. Do you see really a difference? It's laid out basically exactly the same way. I would say Browse is pretty much your iTunes feature, keeping the old with the new. It's the way to find some new stuff, but I never really go on here. I mean, I really do like the music by mood. That's been very helpful as of recently, but other than that, I don't really go on here. So radio, on the other hand, got a huge upgrade. So now it's no longer Beats One Radio, but now it's Apple Music Radio. And you actually have an Apple Music One radio station, an Apple Music Hits radio station, and an Apple Music Country radio station, as well as different stations from different guest hosts. It's just really kind of cool. You could just jump into any of these stations and just start playing some music. Library also gets updated. What I really like about the library feature is now these little icons here really makes everything pop. I really like the playlist that we have on Apple Music, and if you need any playlists, I have put 2 playlists in the description down below, so please check it out and tell me what you think. I always look at people by artists just because I'm really big into looking at artists for music, and this is how everything is laid out there. And finally, search is so much better. Oh my God, search got a whole rehaul. So basically with search, now look at this. You have different sections to find different types of music that you want to listen to. So if you want to go to hip hop, boom, look at that. But not only that, y'all, not only that, that is cool, but when you're actually searching, as you know in Apple Music, you can search up lyrics, but now you could search up and say, let's say SZA, and I go on her. Look at all these results you can find now. It's exponentially better with search, and search is just so much easier. I think that's really the biggest thing in Apple Music is that everything is just so much easier. And here's a feature that we've all been waiting for. So now when you're playing music and you cancel out, you can pick up right where you left off. Instead of the song starting all over again. I really think that all the changes to Apple Music have been for the better, and I really like the new design. I know there's a lot of people who don't, but I really do like the new design. I really hope that more people give this a listen. I'm very excited for Apple Music, and I bought it for a year just because I know music's something I really care about. So I'm glad to just continue to get these updates, and hopefully they keep coming. And that's all the changes in Apple Music in iOS 14. Please, in the comment section below, tell me what features you like, or tell me what features you don't like, and still tell me why Spotify is better. We just gotta learn about why Spotify is better. Thanks, fam, for watching. You are all the best. Please hit that like and subscribe if you like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. My name is Andre. Love you, fam. Bye.